Hi, my name is Christine Arnold. My husband Landon Arnold. We're from South Dakota, and we came here for a private intensive work, 3-day work with Hasani, and I came here very broken, very shattered, fresh from Discovery Day. So this really broadsided me, but I can tell you this was beyond life-changing. I came here defeated, on the verge of not knowing whether we were going to stay married or not. But now we have a plan, we have answers, we have tools, we have ways to get out of the pain and into the solution and life back into our marriage that I never thought was going to be possible. I thought this was going to break us down, it was the end all. But I'm here to say, if you're in that position, if you're in that hurt and you're searching for a solution or for whether you're going to be able to make it or not, and you're in such horrible pain, reach out, get a hold of this program, find a way to attend either the group ones or the private one. This just worked for us, and we knew we needed to be here. And I'm so grateful because it's changed our life. We are not going back to what we once were. We never will, but we're still the same person. However, we're gonna be the best Christine. He's gonna become the best Landon with the work and the plan that they provided for us and how to do it. I mean, I'm left with no questions, and I'm a question girl. But I am so grateful because I'm excited. 3 days ago, I was thinking we weren't gonna make it. 3 days into this, and the process was intense. It was a lot of information, a lot of note-taking, a lot of absorbing, a lot of, really thinking about what I'm asking, what I'm wanting, the information. And I'm so heavily grateful, and I'll never forget this experience because it's given me my best friend back and my husband back. A new marriage that's better, stronger, more beautiful, and something that we will be able to share with other couples and be an example for our kids that, yeah, struggles come. We face adversities in our marriage, but you know what? We didn't quit. We didn't quit, and guess what? We win. We win. So don't give up. I'm begging you, don't give up. Even if it seems impossible, that's when God shows up. And don't quit.